In previously, whenever we want to buy a good smartphone, we just look into the flagship series of a particular smartphone company. But now, surprisingly, this year, we are getting powerful devices with long-lasting company support under just 25,000. And here is one of the highly recommended smartphone, the Oneplus Nord CE4. Firstly, before getting into the video, please do like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, first let's talk about the latest upgrades in this smartphone. This phone's display comes up with a new technology named Aqua Touch, which results in better touch response even in the extreme wet conditions, like the person who have sweaty hands like me. And this has 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and which supports HDR10 Plus and also have 2160 Hz PWM dimming technology, which helps in reduce eye strain when using a mobile in extreme low light conditions. This was packed with the latest child of 7 series Snapdragon processors, the 7 Gen 3, which is 15% efficiency in CPU and 50% in GPU and 25% in power saving. This also includes OnePlus Trinity engine, which helps to keep more applications in the background, and this also helps to make your device works much longer. It has Monster's 5500 mAh battery, which supports 100 watts super hook charging, which generally charges your phone in 30 minutes. Coming to the camera, this has 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Thankfully, they removed those 2 megapixel macro lenses. Interestingly, OnePlus has developed a new raw HDR algorithm which brings out natural colors, lighting, shadows, and many more accurately. It runs on latest oxygenOS 14 based on Android 14, and this oxygenOS 14 also supports some extreme features like file dock, auto cutout, and auto pixelate. Auto pixelate means when we took a screenshot, it automatically pixelates those sensitive information like phone number, email address, OTPs. Like overall, this is a good mid-range flagship phone according to the specs, because I do not have a piece to test it out. That's it for the video, guys. If you love the content, please do like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye now.